Okay, so we got some beautiful new postcards in. Look at these. Beautiful new postcards. That was the stoner, and that one is the the big furball one. We've got lots of them going down on here. That's the bird tower. These are all on Etsy. Go and pick up some of my. Oh, that's come out really nice, that one. These are all on Etsy, so go and check some of them out. There you go. That's from the Worry Lips series. Lovely, that book. There's another one from the Worry Lips. That's him walking with his ghost face to face. From Worry Lips, that one. And here's the another one. This was supposed to be the cover of the book, and in the end we decided not to use this as the cover of the book, but I kept the drawing because I thought the drawing was so cool. And we've got an old froggy face here. One of my drawings painted up. Lovely. We've got another great Worry Lips one there with him with all the ghosts behind him. And that's the girl that he's in love with on the pillow. Fabulous highlight in the book. And that is the bitch cat from Cat books. Lovely. Some of this one's come up a little bit lighter than what the other versions are, but lovely drawing. I love that. That's one of my favorite drawings, that one. So I'm gonna put that one over there because that's one of my favorite. And that was Worry Lips when he meets the Grim Reaper. Lovely. It brings back all these memories of Worry Lips now. And there's another one from the Cat. Cat playing the mandolin. That's also on t-shirts and everything, that one. Oh, it's gone a bit low down. Let's put it over there. Move my name. Another one from Worry Lips. I think that we used that as the cover of one of the books. Did we? No, we didn't. No, we didn't. It was one of the ones we were thinking about. That's him sleeping with his little photo and the big demon sneaking up on him. And then that was the poster for Cat. That was a massive big poster that we had there for a while. But that is some of the... In fact, that actually became some of the business cards. We had these little business card things made. This is covered in ink, but you can see it's a little bit... But there you are. That's just a little taster of some of the postcards that are now on Etsy. There's a few on Redbubble as well. I think the quality is slightly better on Etsy. The quality is better. And on Redbubble it's slightly cheaper. But I find like the blues, especially the blues like this one and this one, the blues are a little bit softer than but the blacks and the whites come up fabulous. So that's just a little tester of some of the postcards that we've had come through. So pop on over to the shop and get a poster or a postcard or loads of notebooks on Amazon as well. Loads and loads of notebooks. But thank you very much for watching. That's just a little tester and there'll be more coming soon. Thank you very much. See you again soon. Bye.